Hello guys, welcome to O Yellow Circle. Today in this video tutorial, I will share with you how to put text behind an image in Photoshop. So first, take an image, go to the layer panel, duplicate the layers, then take the text and click OK. To transform this, you can also use shortcut Ctrl plus T. Once you increase the size of text, then bring this text layer between both the image layer. Then go to the duplicate layer. In the property section, go to the quick action and click remove background. As you can see, we have successfully removed the background from the duplicate layer. Now we will just drag this text to here. Now you get the text behind an image. So you can see. I hope you learned from this video. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial till the end. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. That's keep me motivated to create more videos like this.